Hey guys, just got this digital microscope from my nephew and figured I would show you how it comes. So you can see this time of year it comes in this Warm Wishes box. So I don't know if they changed the box throughout the year, but just a look around. This is how it comes now. And then it comes with the actual digital microscope box packed inside of it. But so the packaging is really nice. And then here we go, the actual box for the product. You see on the end you have all your specs there. I'll let you see that for a second. I'll go ahead and open it up. So it comes in a nice canvas case. I didn't realize that either when we bought it for him. But here you go, have a good look at the case. Has a little handle to hold on to it. Seems to zip or unzip nice. And here's how it comes on the inside. So nice little kind of pouch area here to hold your charger, and that would be, yes, the strap for it. Then your manual. And then packaged up here is the actual microscope. Here, so you can get a close look at the microscope, actually. So, of course, screen protector, charging port, and then all the different slides that it comes with. Those come wrapped up in here too. So that's it, guys. Just wanted you to see how it came.